let that sweltering summer sun turn your home into a hot box when Dean Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling has the tools, experience, and expert technicians to cool you down. We're a home air conditioning company who has been installing and repairing systems throughout Knoxville, Tennessee for over 13 years, and we're eager to show you the premier customer service and workmanship that we've honed in that time. At Dean, we know that our reputation is our greatest asset, and it's one we defend feverishly. When you call down one of our technicians for an inspection and diagnostic, we pledge to give an honest assessment of your system and propose the most reasonable solution. We will never try and sell you a brand new unit when your current malfunctioning system just needs a couple minor repairs. We also offer price matching and 100% satisfaction guarantee, so you can be certain that you're not only getting the best deal, but the work done meets your expectations. Beat the heat with home air conditioning system service and installation from Dean Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling. We carry all major brands and 24/7 emergency service, and as a locally owned and operated company, you know you'll be treated as a valued client you are. We service customers throughout the Knoxville region, so give us a call today to learn more about what we offer or schedule your appointment.